How to clean your phone. So if you want to clean your Android phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings at first. So open up your settings. You'll also have that settings option on your control center. You can just simply go with the control center, and here you will have the settings option. Or you can also go with the settings application. Once you're under your settings, now you need to scroll down and go with RAM and storage space. Under your RAM and storage space, now you need to just go with manage storage, and from here you can just remove your temporary files or the files that you are not using or the applications that you are not using. You can uninstall some applications. So select the files that you are not using and then go with free up space, tap on it, and after that again go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with the application in which you have the largest space and go with clear cache, and after that go with the other application, again tap on clear cache, and in the same way you need to go with clear cache in all of these applications. After clearing your cache, now you need to go back and you need to go with system, tap on OK. Now go with trash. Under trash, select everything, tap on delete, which is on the bottom, and delete all of your trash files. After deleting your trash files, now you need to go back, and as you can see that I've cleared 9 GB from trash. Now you can also go with videos and you can delete some videos. Go with games and delete some games. And once you've done with this, you need to go back and now you need to go with the application. So select the applications that you are not using or that you don't want. Tap and hold on to that application and go with uninstall or delete the application. And after that, restart your device, and after restarting, you will free up some space. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.